For the next step in the module, you're going to need to install the microchip software called MPLAB X IDE. Now, I'll be using version 3.40, so if you manually find and download the software package, try and get that version, as there may be a newer version out which may have subtle or major differences in its layout and how it works compared to what I'll show you on my computer. Now, if you ordered the kit, you'll find the data DVD in there, and it has all versions of the software package, the version for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It'll be in the folder MPLAB X IDE v3.40. Install whichever package you need onto your machine. If you're downloading the software, be warned, you're actually downloading an entire suite, and it's a whopping ½ gigabyte download. I'll provide links here with the lesson. Also, find your Picket programmer and get its drivers installed. Just plugging it into your Windows machine, it should install drivers automatically, but I found it took an unusually long time, like several minutes. So plug it in and just let it sit there until it gets its drivers installed. Don't walk away, go to the store, get a coffee, whatever. It'll tell you when it gets the drivers installed. So install the IDE software now if you haven't already, and we'll get right to using it in the next lesson.